To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add AI subtitles automatically in CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply add AI subtitles automatically in CapCut, all you gotta do is simply tap on CapCut. Once you're in your CapCut, you need to simply open a project. You can simply open a ongoing project, or you can simply make a new project. And once you have started the project, you need to add your video a timeline. So once you have added your video to the timeline, you need to select the text tab. After you find the text tab, you need to choose the auto caption settings. So if your video or photo has a audio, the auto caption will simply pick it up and provide AI subtitles automatically. So all you gotta do is simply tap on the start option and you can simply get your auto captions or like AI subtitles automatically. So AI transcribes the speech and you can simply style them, edit them, and customize the timing of the captions directly on the timeline, and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.